everyone, I am Zishan on behalf of Shri Aurobindo Society. I welcome all the teachers to one of the most successful and innovative idea sharing platforms of India, ZIIEI, that is Zero Investment Innovation for Education Initiative. Today, we will be discussing new and innovative techniques to make the learning process more interesting and fun-filled for our students. The chapter that I am going to cover today is Let's Speak of Class 1. It is from the UP board. The number of the chapter is 2. The subject is English. The name of the ZIIEI innovative idea that I am going to use today is WordC. It is a revision based idea. The innovation is that through this idea, the students are able to revise the concepts in a playful manner. The time required to implement this idea is 20 minutes. The educator needs to make the following arrangements prior to conducting this activity. Miscellaneous, a cardboard box, or it could be any other box, one colorful chart paper for wrapping the box, 30 blank paper slips, tape and safety scissors to make the WordC box. Today, we are going to be covering the concept of vocabulary by implementing the idea WordC. The educator needs to ensure that the building and the explanation of the chapter have already been done. The educator needs to do the following before initiating the activity. Place the box on the teacher's table and inform the students that today we are going to do an interesting activity using this box. Write 30 sight words on the board. Distribute the blank paper slips pre-arranged among the students. Initiate the activity by giving the following instructions to the students. Select one word from the board, write that word on your slip, fold your slip and put it in the box. After that, the educator will call one student or students one by one and ask them to pick one slip from the box. For example, the educator calls one student and asks him or her to pick one slip from the box and read aloud the word written on the slip. The student will read aloud the word, for example, goat written on the slip, and then will tell its meaning. Goat, bakri. In the same way, another student will be called and he or she will come and pick one slip from the box or WordC box and then read aloud the word written on the slip. For example, ant. He or she will say ant and tell its meaning cheetah. The activity will continue in the same manner until all the students have participated in the activity. We can achieve the following learning outcomes through this ZIIEI innovative idea while revising the chapter Let's Speak. Respond orally in any language, including the sign language, to comprehension questions related to the concept being taught. Write simple words like fan, hen, rat, etc. The following key points are to be noted. The implementation time of the idea may vary depending on the strength or the availability of the students in the classroom. The activity ensures the active participation of the students inside the classroom, which is a key aspect of peer learning approach as discussed in NCF 2005. As NCF 2005 firmly believes that every child comes with some previous knowledge, thus this idea helps in gauging the pre-knowledge of the students. The students may discuss and write different words in their individual slips. Make sure this discipline of the classroom is being maintained while the activity is being conducted. Core life skills that can be included are creative thinking, effective communication, and coping with stress. Values of acceptance towards other thoughts have been touched upon. Thank you so much. Please do subscribe our channel on YouTube and like our page on Facebook.